Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We're back. It's a new month, new week. Hopefully, we get some good action today, good action throughout the week, good action throughout the month, throughout the rest of the year, in the whole year. Very, very strong. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Got my Powerade ready. Hope you guys watch some football if you love football like I do. Get some music rolling, and we'll look at the chat.
STNE. Eagle. IONQ.
Come on. You can do it. Oh, gotta refresh the whole page. Great. All right. Discipline, good morning. Broda, morning. Adrian, Jordan, Snacks.
PSFE.
Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome back.
AMC.
Boba, good morning. Anything moving today? LOGC looked like a buyout. And then after that, it is a 37% runner in WLDS. Whatever that is. Wearable devices limited. Cool. Cool. Yeah, hopefully we get something today.
TNXP.
Another month of pain, you think? Maybe. Wouldn't surprise me.
FNHC.
I hope we run up into the end of the year now. Yeah, that's like a 1 in a million shot. But whoever was swinging LOGC did a great job. You guys do anything fun over the weekend?
GFAI.
You like the new title? Oh, at the top? Yeah. Appreciate it. I added that in at the end of last week. Yeah, if anyone was actually swinging LOGC, you got to question the logic there. Oh, did they meet today? I didn't even know that. Oh. Wouldn't surprise me if it's more pain from them talking. Something's up with my trade station this morning. Level 2 looks all weird. You think they pivot soon?
TEF.
Yeah, I hope. I hope that there's a change soon. I mean, we're down to. Why does this chat box do that? Sometimes it's like all the way on top of my picture, and then sometimes it's not.
ITUV.
Yeah, we're down to, we closed right on that level, 200 on the weekly that I was talking about. And it's also roughly right at this channel support. I watched football all day yesterday. Saturday, I think we just chilled. I think it's gross. It's gross here. Like we're getting the hurricane like outskirts, so it's just been raining all weekend long. Yeah, they played a great game. They played a great game on their third string quarterback. I can't complain at all. Yeah, hopefully all the 75s are gone. It'd be really nice if we're just done with all the 75 increases.
FNHC.
What the heck is that? Okay, I gotta restart my trade station again. I don't know what the heck's going on with it.
HIVS.
I'm just gonna stay on this screen until I can figure out what's going on with my trade station.
GGB. IPOF.
Appreciate you guys stopping by this morning. There we go. I think it's fixed now. I just had to restart it 3 times. Yeah, there we go. Favorite trade month? Usually March. October, November are usually really good. December in the past has been really good, but last year it was horrendous.
DCS.
January is usually really good, but it was bad this year. February is usually okay, nothing crazy. And then March is always called March Madness, just like the basketball, because it's usually crazy. And then April, kind of up in the air. It used to be go away in May, but
SBS.
over the past few years, it's kind of been go away in April, besides the COVID year. So April's kind of been the slowdown time. May's been better than April. And then June, July, a couple runners. And then August, September's always terrible. Always, always, always terrible. Even during the COVID market, we died from, I think it was August 24th to September 24th. Like spot on. Yeah, go away end of March 2021. Alright, I need to go change this.
LGHL.
There we go, back to 0. It's only 46 degrees here today. 46. I swear over the winter, my mind went way to the end of my sentence. Over the weekend, it's felt like winter here. It's felt like early December. Like it's been in the 40s and rain. Absolutely disgusting. I'm sure AC down there in Texas is just living it up. I don't think he's here yet, but I got a bone to pick with him about fantasy football too. I put up 150 points in the league that I'm in with him, and we were facing each other. 150. Usually that's almost a guaranteed win by 20, 30 points, and he put up 157. That was the league. I completely won that league last year, and now I'm 0-4 this year. So I'm not doing too good to start that fantasy football. Hey, Finallyyyy, what's up? Are you going to play Wordle this morning with us? The Russell's up 1.1% this morning. Up more than SPY is.
Tau. FXLV.
All right, anything even moving like remotely? Yeah, we need old Rusty to turn around. Rusty has been in a bear market since early 21. Why the heck was Finger even going on Friday?
EMBK.
Or even over the past 3 days? It's been going straight up, actually. The last thing that they filed was an S1 on September 8th. It's the last bit of news they have. It's very dark in my room again today. CEI regains compliance. All right, it says in compliance. That's weird. Wait. Okay. So it was not compliant for another reason. Not because of price. Too tired for Wordle, back from wedding in Scotland. Oh. I bet there's some nice scenery up there. Is it cold up there already in Scotland? Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I would imagine. I mean, you guys are like really far north, and you don't really think about it. But if you pull up like the map, I think Scotland's like up along the lines of Canada somewhere. Not that cold yet. Okay. Yeah, if this is to scale correctly, you guys are like up in mid Canada for us, like in relation to the
PSFE.
it's like 58. So it's warmer there right now than it is here.
AMC.
It's supposed to be 54 here today, but we're kind of in the outskirts of a hurricane, so.
FNHC.
You guys like the pumpkin and bats thumbnail?
STNE.
I had to make it October themed, you know.
MP.
Yeah, FNGR's doing something weird. I will say that. It's already up a ton this morning, though. 21%. Last piece of news, like I said, was on September 8th. And it's not like that was good news. It dropped an S1, so they dropped the filing for an offering. So this is probably the offering run it's having right now. But why is it having the offering run? I'm not sure. Anybody have any reason that finger motion is up from 61 cents to $4 within 4 days? Just cuz? That's kind of what I'm guessing. Seems kind of like a just cuz.
New.
Those are the ones that are hard to get a good grasp on because you're like, okay, why is this running so hard? When is it going to fall off? Do we have a reasonable expectation of continued volume, considering there's zero reason for it to be up? But it keeps on trucking. For whatever reason. Try to stream Warzone over the weekend on Saturday on here, and it did not want to work. I think I need to turn the graphics settings and like performance mode on just to run it on a one PC setup. And I got a good PC. I don't have like the brand spanking newest graphics card, but pretty much right behind it. And the game was the game was loading fine, but it was the stream that was having, you know, kind of little skip issues. Yeah, maybe. I mean, I got the 2070 Super, which is kind of right behind the 3060, or right, maybe even right above the 3060. So the upgrade will be the 70, 80, or 90. And now they've came out with the 4090, which is more than my whole PC.
NMTR.
Really don't know why that you would need the 4090 right now. I still feel like my 2070 is overkill. And I don't know if it's even the graphics card was the issue. Does that have anything to do with, you know, streaming
NHC.
the game? Like, my upload's fine. I think I don't have gig up. I wish I did, but I got like 20 megabits per second upload, which isn't great, but it's not terrible. It was showing like on YouTube's end that it was kind of smooth, but it was just kind of skipping. And I streamed now in 1440, and I even tried to pull it back to 1080. Didn't work. Yeah, I think there is a difference just because I think Discord's more of like a screen share, and YouTube's got to go through this whole encoding process because they're creating like the VOD for you as well because it gets saved. So I think there's a lot more complexities to YouTube.
Silo.
So why is FNHC up?
Acor.
Just straight up to 30 cents for whatever reason. No news. No news whatsoever. So that's fun. Just another nonsense play, it looks like. Market is above 3.6 right now. Let's look at this live futures data from Trend Spider. So ES is actually at 362.5. This is a little bit of a resistance zone. But over this, I mean, we can start climbing again. What did ES? Was it the same weekly? Okay, so yeah, it's hitting the 200 on the weekly and hammering now. Yeah, if you're shorting down here, you're just, I don't even know. Maybe short like this right here, this break below. Back up at 3,900. But we've still got this upper trend. And then bottom in. Can we start back here or no? No. Doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Okay. Bottom end trend, kind of hard to see because you've got this. I think the COVID drop's kind of an outlier. You almost have to go like right here. But still, even that's not really connected to a whole lot. Maybe it's just more of a horizontal. Right here. So that's a big level. We can still climb, and I guess it could be a falling wedge as well, with this being a little bit of an outlier. But I think the big level to hold is going to be 3,500. But we'll see. The fact that it's trying to push off the 200 on the weekly. It's a good sign. It's a good sign. Check CL. Okay, let's look. So, yep. So I'm going to go to the daily here. Yeah, it was looking kind of like it was dying, and it's got a downtrend. I don't know if it's going to break it. But, I mean, had one little outlier here. You can even tuck it in a little tighter, I guess. It's not perfect, but trying to break above kind of this falling wedge on the daily on crude. So, we'll see. I think it all depends on the Russia factors and all this other stuff, but what is the Russell? Is it like RS? Russell 2000? No. Wonder if it's gonna be RTY on this though. Oh, yep, RTY1. That's it. So right there it is. Didn't make new lows like you said. It survived the bottom. What does this look like on the weekly? So the weekly is pretty fugly on this, but we came down to a rough support level. There's another support just underneath here at 1615-ish. I knew natural gas, but YM? Is that what it is? Yeah. Yeah, Dow looking pretty fugly right now on the weekly. That's one thing I don't really keep up with that much is Dow. I do remember when I was first starting to trade, though. Where was it at? Yeah, I remember it was a huge deal when it broke over. What was it at? Like 15? No, not 15. Maybe it's right here, like 18K towards 20. Late 2016 into 2017, this big run. And it finally broke over 20K. That was a huge deal. Huge, huge deal. All right, here's the 8:30 news. CSCW Fluffy. Turtle Beach Fluffy. TBLT. Comprehensive line of innovative striking tools. Are they magazine fed? I don't think. Acer got a patent. Kern got an offer. No. $5 million private placement of convertible redeemable preferred stock. So that's kind of worthless. So nothing really got a PR worth even looking at, really. NLSP got a $4 million private placement conversion of existing short-term notes. It's another thing that really is not going to make a whole lot of difference. Palm's got a little PR, and that one's 8 cents. Maybe that'll get a little bit of push today. That would be one to maybe watch for you, Snacks. COMS. Besides that, not really anything. Somebody needs to have some like banging news. Just absolutely banging news. To just rip, you know, intraday 200-300%. Wake everything up. Just wake them up. Rumble has that catalyst this week. I know you've been watching this, Steven. It looks like on the daily here. Yeah. God, it looks just as ugly as it did before when it was running with DWAC. Like, it won't break out. So, still right here. I mean, I don't know what this pattern is. Looks like a hand with a big middle finger up.
EGY.
But hold 12 zone. Maybe it'll run up into that. I think it's Elon Musk interview exclusively on Rumble. I think that's what the deal was. Correct me if I'm wrong, and I will announce it. What's up, Striker? Good morning. Dan the man. Probably be playing CEI all day off of oil. Yeah, and CEI had that compliance yada yada news too, so oil is up a lot this morning. Like a lot.
PLTR STNE.
VTNR is gapped up 2.4%. Oxy's up 4%, pushing high of day right now. Indohusa can go. Syracuse is already up 9%. Maybe there'll be a watch, after open for a push. I don't know if I'd play it in pre-market.
FNHC. CLF.
CLNN is a dead cat. Let's look. What even is that? Top loser of the day. Okay. They had they resumed at 8:30. Reports top line results demonstrating survival signal for CNM. I'm not gonna read all that. And Healy ALS platform trial.
Silo.
And here's your were not met. That's really all you need to see. But secondary survival endpoint demonstrated a greater than 90% reduction in risk of death. So there may be a silver lining in this. But the primary endpoint did not hit. They will continue the open label extension. They got an investor call at 8:30, which is probably going on right this second. That's probably why it bounced, because it opened down here, and then the investor call is probably going on, and they're discussing, this is not over with yet. We're not giving up, type thing. Healy shoes, yeah. Blue pre-market high. Yep.
FTCI. SBS.
So blue had fell down to pretty much no man's land, almost to the $5 level, and then just pushed back up. So that's a usual 2022 looking chart here. Pure fail, end at lows. So you really want to end at lows if you're going to break out on a candle of a 5-minute, if a 10-minute, whatever you're watching. If you're looking for a breakout, you need to look for a red candle that ends at lows. Make it look as bad as possible, because the next candle is just going to push right back up. For whatever reason, no logic, no nothing, but that's the reason things break out now. So blue ended that daily candle ugly as possible, and then it hasn't went any lower since. And it's up to 658 right now, so it's right here.
PSLV, ABEV.
TQQQ is the top volume leader today. So instead of SQQQ, it's TQQQ. It's always one of those indicators, or one of those ETFs every day. FNHC is now up 195% on no news. Is this a D-list maybe? D-list run, potentially? This thing looks disgusting on the daily. I mean, it's a dead cat, for sure. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what FedNat is. FNHC. No news since September 23rd. I don't know if I trust VTNR anymore after the issues it's had lately. I thought that was going to be the play to play now off of oil. And it just got disgusting over the past few weeks. It had that huge gap down from 14 to 9. And then it looked like it was trying to get back in the gap, rejected the gap. And now it just faded down to... went as low as 540, but now it's at 630. Can it move? Absolutely. But kind of frustrating that it gave up. It really gave up.
CLD.
Still going. Or it's still hitting the scanner at least. Let me know if the volume is too loud this morning. Got the music up a little bit high. I noticed SoFi was at like $5 or under $5. Man, that chart looks disgusting. Made... Did it?
FNHC. SLRX.
Yeah, it looks like it made 52-week lows actually on Thursday. Right here. All right, I think it's Wordle time. Maybe we'll throw in a good Weddle in there too.
CLF.
All right, we got to get it in 3 or less.
HSDT. VGY.
Ew. That's gross. So probably NE. That's not a word. ST Stoon, is that a word? No, I'm trying to get as many letters in there as possible that would be beneficial to me.
VGFC. EPOL.
No.
CSCW. Tau.
I guess it could be NK. Let's try Brink. Okay, so it's IN. Probably INE though.
TVCT.
Something something INE. Gline.
WKHS.
Gline.
JDST.
Is this a word? Oh, it's not INE. Dang it, man.
TES.
Well, we didn't get it in 3. Now we just got to get it. So there's no E. I guess it could be INT.
ML.
You would think it would be consonant, consonant, INT, though. But you can't do, like, C. I guess you could be stint. Maybe stint. There we go. There we go. Oh my god, I thought I had it. I celebrated too early. I celebrated too early. Damn it. No. I thought I had it. Sting. That's upsetting. Thought we had it there. Early.
Oran.
Yeah, you got to make it exciting. You got to, yeah, hype for it. What can I trade today? CSCW is up 20% on that fluffy PR. Oh, it looks like it's already been up all morning. Interesting. So maybe it was the flavor of the day before it even started. Attends Dubai Metaverse Assembly to promote Dono Metaverse smartphone. That's the news it has. Great. Won't be long. It won't be long at all.
FNHC.
Finger Hut still stuck in the same freaking spot.
GOBX.
Yep. It is stuck within a little bit over a 10-cent range. Yeah, Finger is just completely stagnant right now. 4,900 shares, 7,000 shares traded on this 5-minute candle. And we're already a minute and a half in. Third time's a charm on CLBS. Let's look at it. Is that just up to be up today? No, I had news. Okay. Achieves primary endpoint in men with metastatic castration resistant prostate cancer with BRCA or ATM mutations. Okay, that's a mouthful.
HIBS.
Classic.
RKLB. PSLB.
Good news is bad. Bad news is good. No news is excellent. Write it down. Put it on a sticky note. Put it on your computer. Remember it. Live it. Breathe it. Right next to it, put no such thing as a breakout. Right next to that, look for a low of day candle to end at lows, or a candle to end at lows. That means you're going to get a breakout. A lot of little tips and tricks. Think opposite. Think nonsense. Think ridiculous. And you got it. You nailed it in this market. You got all the tools that you need if you can think in completely opposite terms. Looks like it's going to break out. It's going to fake out. Looks like it's going to break down. It's probably going to hammer candle or trap candle.
WTER.
Phase 3 cancer news, and it's up 8%. Makes sense to me. And they're selling on the bid right now. What's up this morning with no news is the real question. That's going to be the runner.
RELI.
Wearable devices, limited, ordinary. Okay, the candle ended at lows, so that's what you're looking for. Absolute lows is where you're going to get your bounce. So, WLDS, never heard of it, but that's a potential watch this morning. LVWR, what are these tickers today? Livewire Group. Is this anything to do with LimeWire? So, looks like either news after hours on Friday or a little Pumpty Dumpty. Oh, is it a new IPO?
GGB.
It's a D-SPAC. Okay, D-SPAC.
SMFR.
If that's not a head and shoulder, I don't know what is. Oh my goodness. Yeah, market's looking pretty good. We're finally out of September.
SOXL. NGD. GOGL. QS. FNHC.
Couple continuation setups you like? Okay. Beat is still up.
ET.
Had kind of a inside bar candle on Friday. Hey Gerard, good morning. Welcome in, good to see you. Got about 8 minutes till the 9 a.m. news. Beat, EBTL, SPRO, sober. All right. EBTL. I feel like a lot of people sleeping in this morning. Not quite as active as usual. But I appreciate you guys who are here for hanging out. Market's having a good push here. 361.5 now. Hey, AC, what's up? That freaking game of fantasy, man. He just woke up. Yeah. If I didn't have my alarm set, I'd probably be still sleeping. The gross day outside. Not very bright out. It's been raining all weekend. No way I'm winning the league this year, AC. No chance. I'm 0-4. And I was like, okay, this is my week. I'm putting up 150 points. And you still got me beat. Mike Evans put up like 30 last night. Still got me beat. All right. Yeah, every time I face somebody, they're having their best week possible. I got the highest points against of anybody in the entire league. All right, let's play Weddle. One game, one quick game. This is today's game. So this is a daily game too. I was playing Weddle Unlimited the other day. All right, let's go random. I don't even know who that is. So AFC under 6'4", under 25. So let's guess AFC running back. Okay, they are 5'10". They are younger than 23. Who's it? Is there a wide receiver under 5'10"?
THCH.
Not that I can think of. That's younger than 23? It's definitely not a quarterback. I think Kyler Murray is probably like 5'9". 5'10". He's super young. And it's got to be a wide receiver. I may not get this one. I can't even think of anybody that's a 5'10" wide receiver. 5'10" wide receiver, super young in the AFC. I know this is not it, but at least get me a... Okay, AFC East, wide receiver, 5'10". AFC East? Tyreek Hill is like the shortest wide receiver right now I can think of. AFC East? Not on the Patriots. It's not on the Bills either, right? It's a super young guy. Maybe it's got to be a Jets wide receiver. Where's Happy when I need him? All right, I got to look up Jets wide receivers. I'm sorry. It's not Barrios. He's been around for a while. Yeah, it's got to be AFC East, too. Hello, I cannot help you. I saw my first American football game. Oh, okay, cool. Cool. You'll get addicted if you watch it enough. Corey Davis, maybe? Is it Corey Davis? No, he's 6'3". It is on the Jets, though. I literally don't even know Jets wide receivers. I'm literally typing in all of them right now. Usurp. Elijah Moore. There we go. Jeez. So is he a rookie? He's 22. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know about this. I don't know about all this. I think starting out with Shane, whoever that is, was not good. All right, market still in the same spot. How about that? Lithium highs. Barely.
NGD, FNHC.
I don't know if Beat can do that drop again today. I think it may need to push straight up if it's going to go. Too many times of dropping off and testing that low level, it's going to break. Tested at an open on Friday, pushed back up a little bit, and then it went down and tested it at the end of the day too and closed there. So we got about a minute and 10 seconds till the 9 a.m. news. See if anything comes out then. If not, I don't know what's going to run today. I don't even know.
APG. JAGX.
The OBS still won't go, bro. All right, here we go.
NLSB.
Bubo got a little bit of PR. Timber had an offering, TMBR. AIKI continues share repurchase program.
CEI.
Sun W, a little bit of a PR.
WEB.
Zeep Technology to launch environmentally responsible recycling program. Okay, good for you. What's this? Pivotal data.
STNE. WKHS. SIG.
All right, so nothing crazy, good news wise. So now it's either going to be something that has ran
TUV.
last week and that's up, continuation like we were talking about with the B, EBTL, SPRO, Sober, or it's going to be something like CLVS or Finger Hut.
DVGI. SIG. Riot. TMF.
Market's still trying to push here. Maybe we'll get a trend day up. A little trendy trend.
COSN. LYG. GSQD.
Finger Huts, just under 420. Will it get a breakout though? And the answer to that question, you gotta look at your second sticky note, like I was telling you guys earlier. Second sticky note. No such thing as a breakout. Oh man. Oh yeah, look at this, Broda. I got my Yoda shirt on today. I've had this shirt forever, so it's like super faded, but
Collins.
I hope so. I sure hope so.
FNHC.
Man, Finger Hut moving at a snail's pace right now. Absolute snail pace.
EDSA.
EDSA. Oh yeah, that's the one that had news on Friday. So all the way down though. So EDSA on Friday had statistically significant mortality reductions in phase 2 drug study, and it went from 140 down to as low as 90 cents. Good news is bad. It's almost like everything is sell the news regardless if it's good news or bad news.
SVN.
Just sell.
GG.
Just sell the news regardless. Finger Hut has popped from 415 to 416 now. Oh, there it goes. 419. Oh, there's a little pumpy volume. So, looking at, the rules of 2022, this should not break out. Maybe go to here, reject hard, reject off these wicks. I don't see it pushing higher in pre-market. If it does, I mean, it may be a paradigm shift. We, change the way things trade for October. I would love that. Give us something. Give us anything to move, please.
INPX.
Hey, JD, what's up? Yeah, I figured everybody was sleeping in this morning. I figured as much. It's all good. I pulled up Oxy. Oxy, did you grab that early pre-market? It's looking good. USO 68, looking good. Last week, nice. Yeah, it gapped down. It was looking like it was gonna go for a 200 SMA test, huh? But pushed up. That's good. So you got the recovery. You got it on the right side of V. Already filled the gap. So you got it like right here. Appreciate the likes on the videos, guys. Thanks for hanging out, commenting as always. Thanks to my members for supporting the channel. All the donors of the channel. Really appreciate you guys. Yeah, coming up towards 64 here on Oxy. Looking pretty good. Oh, man. Hopefully there's something to trade today that pushes higher. Maybe oil.
WKHS.
WKHS getting some pre-market action for some reason. Up to $3.
LOGC. PBR.
USA testing highs here.
GERN.
Maybe an oil day. Very well could be.
Acorn.
Market is showing some strength though. Let's freaking go. I think it's time for Dr. Pepper.
Irch. Lumm. Zid. FNHC.
I gotta run to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
CSAM, BBJMIA, UGP. BGFC. EXRT. New. ITUV. EGY. PSNY. YPF. Next. PSLV. CSCW. CSCW.
Alright guys, had to do a few more things when I walked out.
DNA.
Yeah, BTNR really is tempting, or was. It's gapped up now.
AVCT.
Oil really going right now.
VA. Eric. NTCO. FSM.
Hopefully we get something crazy today. Come on. Just want something great to spark. First day of October, new opportunity. You know, the market's trying to curl up a little bit. Everybody's sick of waiting.
STLA.
Dr. Pepper. Market high of day. Oxy high of day. Oil high of day.
Find.
I didn't realize that Indo had such a strong bounce on Friday. Or, I mean, on Thursday.
HUD.
Mara, man. You know what happened to me on Mara on Friday. I had like the bottom. And it just... disgusting action. Shaking, dipping, wicking. Just, you gotta buy it and just close your eyes. Buy, hold, and hope. And I didn't buy, hold, and hope on Mara.
SILJ. RKLB.
Oh, and no, it was on CNBC Thursday. Okay, cool.
FNHC. CSAN. HIES. BBD. TKC.
I think Bitcoin's going to leg up soon. It's been showing some very interesting relative strength lately.
UGP.
Unless something just catastrophic happens, I really think it's going to push back up. Even with the market like falling off a cliff. Yeah, oil's ripping right now. Was there CEO or something on? Indo, I mean. We're on product exact top and scalp for 8 cents. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I had the bottom and lost probably 8 cents.
SBS.
I had like 10.70, I think. And it went almost to 12. Oh, okay, gotcha.
CUSA.
I'll be right back. One more second.
VXRT. HL. VRT. YPF. CSCW. AG. UEC. SBSW. NOC. CLF. WTI. GDXU. IRCH. JDST. AVCT. HPCO. PSLV. New. SCPS. SUNW.
All right. Oil trend day, market trend day. Let's hope so, baby.
GOGL. TARC. EXK.
About 10 minutes till open. Market hit 362. Nothing's running right now, though. Not a thing.
WETG.
Wet grandma on the scanner.
FSM. FNHC. FNHC. HCAT. VTNR.
There's BTNR on the scanner. CSCW. Actually pulled that up a little bit earlier, Davin. That is, had a little bit of a fluffy PR this morning. It was already getting a recovery bounce as well. It does have a lot of room.
TMF.
Probably 160 to 175 is going to be a little bit of resistance, but I mean, above that, it's got this huge red candle to eat back up, and then this big gap up here.
XM.
Can't believe LOGC got bought out for a 645% increase. Crazy.
GSQD. RKT.
Yeah. Finally up to $1 after a reverse split. That's all it needed. Just a little bit of a reverse split and got over $1. Man, we thought the metaverse thing was going to be the future, you know? Facebook was changing to Meta. We was having, I can't remember what that one ticket. It was like the lead dog. I think it started with a V. Pushed up to like 20-some dollars. CSCW was like 40, 50. They were talking about metaverse like crazy. And nothing. Absolutely nothing happened. Meta worst. It was the meta worst. You are correct. The absolute meta worst. All right, JD, what are you looking at that doesn't have any news or any reason to be up today, good sir?
GT.
Just like that, you popped in. There we go.
ATUS.
WLDS, I figured you were looking at that one. That one up, I pulled it up and saw it gap from 90 to 170. Looked at the news.
COS.
There was nothing recently. There was on September 30th. I guess, which was Friday, right? Yeah, so Friday it had a something. Post-effective amendment to an F1. Okay.
LUMN.
But that seems like the one, you know, nothing. Norwegian Cruise Line to eliminate COVID-19 testing, masking, and vaccination requirements beginning October 4th, 2022.
LAZR.
I hear that. Maybe that's the ponytail push. Maybe. Probably the ponytail push. ATXI. Hashtag ponytail push.
GRFS. WTI.
Yeah, this just screams to hashtag ponytail push. Okay. Okay. ATXI is absolutely exploding.
HIBS.
The spread is 20, 30, 40, 50 cents. 400K volume.
Wish. TEF.
Man, this thing's, why is this going so hard? It's either a hashtag ponytail push or it is Benzing exclusive. And I don't see a Benzing exclusive, so.
KULR.
It's holding up though. This may be more than just a hashtag ponytail push.
GMDA.
Slap it on the breakout. You're wild, man. Hopefully you got like 11.
WKHS. RUM. DNMR. ICPT. Dish. CSAN. Beat.
1218, okay. That was kind of the breakout from over here. All right, we got about 4.5 minutes left till the bell. ATXI probably already blew its load. Would love to see it halt up and, trap shorts, destroy them, blow up accounts, margin calls, the huge. But that's not going to happen because we are in 2022. It'll probably, it could start just doing this wiki stuff and pushing higher, or maybe it'll just trade sideways. Could fade for the rest of the day. But after open, really don't see it pushing any higher, but it might. That would be the paradigm shift if it does. What does this thing even do? What is their... I think they recently reverse split. I know that.
RAD. HLBZ.
Man, already some sympathy calls getting called to ATXI this morning. How about that? Man, sympathy calls like crazy on the old stock Twitterverse. Gee.
BKD. Silo. TCRR. Kano. Tau.
Hell with a little bit of recovery today. Natty gas is down though. Interesting. 2.5 minutes to the bell.
DRN. DFEN. HIMX, CHECO, SOXL.
Yeah, I think Beat's got to go straight up today. And it's going, it's alright, but it's already doing. This is what it has to do to run today, I think, because I don't think it can go down and test that 375 again. It's done for if it does. Sober. Yeah, I like Beat way better than Sober. But but they both have a chance. But the runner is going to be something stupid, I'm sure.
CD. Next. CNHI.
Sober's daily is too intriguing though. Yeah, the daily is good. The recent couple, the 5-minute setup is what looks kind of iffy to me. But it could go. I have no reason why this even started to go in the first place.
GMVD.
Just one of those things, I guess. All right, 10 seconds.
LUMN. CLF.
Switch to that. Turn my volume down on the music so I can hear the scanner.
FSI.
And here we go.
DVC. ZTNY. JMGDS. JPC. Fox. KMF. NYMDC. AGQ, TPX, WEBL, LBWR+, CLNN, FSI, NWPN, NYOB, CWWW, SJ, AGEK, SJ, TRIB, STRY, IONQ, SILJ, RNP, AMS, Tosh, RA, ATXI,
ATXI pushing. Sorry, I zoned out for a second.
HPK,
Oil
FNHC, SLV,
near highs. It's not at high of day at this very second, but near highs.
TSCW,
I did WLDS at open. JD
NPV,
got 109. It's at 117 now. They sold it off like to the absolute lows and then pushed it up. There's something to these, man, that have no reason to be up, but they push in pre-market. I'm almost all out already, but I don't know how far it's going to go. It'd be nice to get the VWAP or the N50. I only took 2,500. I didn't want to take 5 because I was afraid, it would push a little bit lower. But opening at lows, and it got that nice push. Actually, I'm going to move my stop up to right here. Finger Hut on the scanner. Yep, Finger Hut 450. So, cool. Don't know what it's doing. Finger Hut is up to 450. Okay, I'm out of that. Maybe 117. I'll take it. Nothing crazy, but.
NTZ, FSI, SABS, IVRC, HTCR, IMMP.
Finger Hut still blowing the scanner up.
WKSP.
Beat straight up, so it's exactly what it needed to do today to break out. They bought it up at like 925, all the way up to 435, and now it's pushing higher. Over a 10-cent spread though on Beat. So if anybody's interested in that. All right, I would imagine the market bounces maybe 360 level. Or, I mean, this could be one of those days like, oh, we had no reason to be up in pre-market, so we're just going to fade all the way back to 52 close. I don't personally think that's going to happen, but it would not surprise me in the slightest if it did.
IHF, FNGR, TSLI.
All right, pushing straight down on SPY here. Finger Hut still pushing much higher. Straight up out the gate, so you'd have had to hold this through pre-market and buy. Or instead of buying it open, it looks like, unless you just chased over 435. SPY trying to end the candle at lows, which we talked about earlier. If you end a 5-minute candle at lows, that is the bottom in this market for whatever reason.
SND, GLMD, head, MYOB.
Yep, there's the hammer now. So we'll see how it reacts.
FNHC, BXMX, WLDS.
FNHC is the one that has really no reason to be up, just kind of a daily bounce. Indo over 7. CUSA 387. BTNR pulling back.
BOXD plus FNGR.
Probably pulling back with Oxy. I'm guessing Oxy pulled back with the market. No, Oxy high of day. What's wrong with VTNR? Why is it busted? Finger Hut towards 5 now. Yeah, Oxy's crazy strong. What is wrong with VTNR? Why does it suck so bad? The only oiler following SPY, I guess.
TSLS, EXTN, FNHC, ASAY, TFFP,
$1 million share repurchase program for MTech.
Kala, MTEK,
Oil at highs. Oxy at highs.
RNP,
Finger Hut's up near 5.
PTLO, Vist, Zyme, GAO, CYBN, SDC, BSFC, CLNN, FNHC, SD, RA, MOLN,
Oil continuing to push highs. Oxy continuing to push highs.
OB,
VTNR down to red on the day, looks like. Interesting. This thing's just done. VTNR must just be dead. CSCW, okay. I'll check it out in just a second.
MYOB, FNHC,
Market pushing straight down. So this, I guess it is one of those days. Market was up, and just because it was up, let's absolutely sell off the new 52-week lows. That's what it's looking like.
AKOA, FNGR,
Okay, see, VTNR, I guess, is a no touch forever. CSCW is trying to push a little higher here.
SLNO, GECC, GET, DWAC, CSCW,
There it goes up to 160. I didn't take it, didn't trust it. because
TL.
I'm still subscribed to there's no such thing as a breakout. Where did ATXI end up at? Market just straight murdered right now. Trying its best to hold 360, but yeah, I went ahead and rolled out of that. But yeah, it went up almost to VWAP. ATXI, yeah, it popped straight up. Trying to go straight down now. Market's trying to go straight down now. Oil wicking off of highs. CSCW is trying to break out, but every time it goes 1 cent higher, it goes like 6-7 cents lower, and then it pushes back up again.
ICMB.
Beat still hanging around market 359s now. Yep, just one of those days. Let's go down just because we're up.
CNF.
Yeah, pretty ugly on Tesla, huh?
ATCOD.
Sober got murdered. Market's murdered. Tesla trying to ham a little. Beat. The spread's a little tighter now, not by much.
TC. ACHL.
Hey, Callum, what's up?
ICCC. SQZ.
Oh, nice. You hit a good short. Was it a meme stock? I know you would love to short a meme stock.
FSTX. FNHC. Kala. EXD. CSAN.
FNHC up to 37 now. There's still no reason for that to be up. ATXI high day. Barely. Okay, got wrecked off high day. Oh my gosh. Okay, I didn't even see that Friday after hours. Oh my god, what a disgusting candle on ATXI. So a little bit of 2022 action here on ATXI. Beat has a 13-cent spread with a 30K ask. That's fun. Market trying to bounce a little here.
CENX. SEB. ONCR. PYXS. IPWR. THCX.
Any sector still strong?
MYOV. FSTX.
Oil.
FAT.
Market just about full out on us there for a second.
NYMTL. EBMT. MSOX. DYAI.
Energy and oil. Yeah. Yep.
NNY. UGP.
Finger huts through 5.
TSLI.
What? Finger Hut, look at this volume. Just straight up. And remember, the most important part about this, there's nothing. Last thing they had news, they filed an offering on September the 8th. And now we have ran from 60 cents to $5.90. So 1,000% run. Good old 1,000% run on no news. You gotta love it. Eat it up. Pre-market action looked gross. Wick. And then right at open, they just huge volume influx. And I guess, I mean, you chase through the pre-market highs? I don't know. I don't know how you trade that. I have no idea. Unless it's just a BHH down here.
JMM SA
ATXI trying to push through high still.
GXG NGMS PRSO EZJ PDI AREC Next TUR Oil VRT ACNT.
Was there a ticker called Oil that just hit the scanner? Oil.
ABST.
Yeah, I don't know what ATXI is trying to do. 1480s. Back to 1460s. Back to 1450s. So, no candle on the one has even closed over 15. Market, big bounce there. No man's land. Holy. So they dropped it from 362 to 359. You got spam.
CD. PAXS. SILJ.
ATXI still trying to push up. Yeah, who is it? We'll get it. Is it a fake me again? Oh, okay. Oh, just an advertiser. Okay. Oil.
NFGC. Omer.
ATXI may be right here is the breakout. Still no 5-minute candle close over 15.
CLNN. Lucy. SA. IDIB.
Yeah, it's under $8. LBWR.
EWZS. JRSH. Otter Cave. I. Lucy. ACNT. MYOV. APWC. CLNN.
Okay.
FONR. Gatto.
Daron. Okay.
JRSH. ABCM. INKT. GORO. STRY. FSTX. CSCW. ETB.
All right, they're gone. Why is Lucy hitting the scanner?
CSCW. FNGR, CLEU, EX,
Finger Hut open.
USAS, EWZS,
And halt down. Nope, not yet. Almost.
ARHS,
Almost. Nope, they didn't quite halt it down. It may bounce a little bit then.
CRT, SSL, WACU, CLNN, INTZ, PRT, GMBL, DRTT, WALD, FSTX, CDTX, USAS, CSCW, WLDS, AADI, MTA, PEO, KINS, SLGG, PDSB, Mesa, MYOV, NTZ, LVWEU, PRT, FNHC, ABCM, Jan, Type, LDP,
I see a whole lot at this very moment. Market bounced. Oil's still hanging around highs. Nothing's really running though.
PNCW, WHLM, Terra,
CSCW's flagging on the 5. Looks okay. Needs through 160.
RMED, HYMC, PDSB, WLDS, Terra,
RMAD on the scanner.
LVWR, HTD,
Yeah, I'd love for ATX out of rip. It's just big struggle right now.
FNHC, CD, CSCW, WLKP,
CSCW is at a make or break point. I'd like to see this candle close up above 158 if it's going to go. Nope. That's it. That's the death. Interesting. FNHC still going up. Not entirely sure why that's even moving. CSCW breaking down. As per usual, market breaking down again.
FRGT,
Oh, CSCW broke the trend, and now it's hammering up, and it looks like it might break out. Interesting, interesting.
CSCW,
Yep. So it needed that trap candle. Needed that disgusting breakdown trap candle, looks like. Was watching it right here. On the 5, on the 1. You can see it a little clearer.
VACT,
Got one of these babies right here. One of these. Was all the way down. Red candle down to 152. And then quick hammer up. Quick push.
WLDS,
So 2022 action on CSCW. ATXI still struggling with 15. I don't know if it's going to break through, especially with market trying to die again.
ASLN.
USO pulling back. Market pulling back.
GNT. CSCW. CBM.
What else have we got? So Finger Hut ran all the way to $6.
Fact Plus. EXK. FLBR. SMHB. AFYA. SBS. EXK. FNGR. CSCW. WLDS. SILX. SLN.
ELVS trying to recover a little bit. Bounced off 120. Still terrible action so far.
CFRB. RMED.
Definitely not trending on SPY and oil so far. It could still catch a little bit later, but we're not trending yet. That's for sure.
MJXL. QTEK. QTEK. AUMN.
Q-Tech breakout.
CSCW.
Interesting. I don't know why.
AIKI. CVR.
You guys see anything? I sure don't. I don't see anything.
WLDS. TNXP. LLL. RMED.
Market's just gonna, chop, chop, chop.
AZ.
Finger Hut went straight up, straight down so far.
TALS.
ATXI cannot get through 15 to save its life. And that's it. That's the day. Still watching the same tickers. Gotcha.
AGQ. SLV. TC. CSCW. OCCI. TNXP. WLDS. TC. Wahoo.
WLDS just got a fake breakdown candle. Went through or underneath the 115 level to 114. So washed the stops out. And then it's hammered up to high candle now, 122.
FNCB. RNAZ. LTRX.
Gross. Gross, gross, gross action. Oh my gosh.
VS. RMED. DBGI. Top. NCCW. MTEM. DBGI.
ABTL walking up to breakout.
ACHB. FSTX. ADTX. FNH. WLDS. VN. Prim. DBGI.
Dang, DBGI is only 10 cents now.
IBC.
My voice went up like 16 octaves just now trying to say that, but DBGI is at 10 cents. Remember when that was the next big thing for like 2 days. All right, time to turn the music back up and end strong.
DLNGV. ADTH.
Even though the market is dog shit, let's end it strong. Go out on a good note.
UNAM. DBS. AGQ. CHMIB. MOLN. BBD. WAFU. SCYX. AEF. CHSC. DPG. DSL. EXG. SLV. EMLV. PDT. GORC. JHI. DIECI. OISL. SQFT. UPAR. GEM. FSTS. TPC. BLT. SBS. RMED. BNSO.
FNGR was trying to break back up above 550 and rejected pretty hard right there. 4 red candles in a row now. Market pushing back up finally.
USAS. ETW. PMTA. BBS. BMLJ. KFFB. BRSH. PSGN. ARCO.
What are we going to get, if anything? It's already 10 o'clock. Market's trying to push higher finally, but nothing's moving.
NCB. PAXS. BOAS Plus. PSHG. UBT.
FNGR and the woman, it looks like a perfect setup to push higher back in any other market besides this.
FGMA. ADTH.
But it won't. Market is pushing now. Excuse me.
RNRG. DBS. GLD.
Market really pushing now all of a sudden. Okay. Okay.
POS.
Okay.
USAS.
Manufacturing PMI went down. Okay. Good.
PDSB. LMB. USDA. MYOB.
Yeah, market's ripping right now. So I don't really see anything that's moving higher though. Mara's not moving higher. Meme stocks aren't moving higher. Guess it's just large caps that are moving higher right now.
SBS. UBOT. FNGR. Trib. Kova. Walt. EGLX. Lucy. FSI.
Yeah, there's not much of anything anywhere.
POWL. CGDB. PSDN.
ATXI looks terrible.
SRTS. DTIL. VYNT. TALS. DSL. WLDS. GOL. GSFP. BRF.
CLVS is maybe could make a higher low here, but it would only be by like 1 cent.
DRN.
Positive phase 3 cancer news on CLVS, and it's up 3 cents.
GBOX. POWL. UYM. BZH. GFI. DRD. FHS.
Market high of day.
PGP.
Oil, not high of day. Bitcoin, not high of day yet.
WLDS. SILJ. WLDS. USAU. SRAX.
No, I took my eyes off of it. It wicked too much for my liking.
YMD. UBR. Near Plus.
I'm looking everywhere for anything with a pulse, and I'm not seeing it.
TUR. NHTC. WLDS. Fact Plus. AFGC. Leo. Jan. WLDS. NA. BWA. AGQ. IREX. QRHC. PLG. QRHC.
FNGR, if it hammered here like over 540, it would have a chance, but it's just not.
NKEL.
Nope.
WLDS.
End of the candle lows, looks like.
NCF.
Yeah, you got that 128 test. Good job. Took a while, but you got it.
MSN. DLHC. UTG. HYPR. MYOV. FSI. FSI. NCPLW. SAA. BMBL.
Doesn't look like FNGR is going to go back up at all. No bounce in sight.
TCBX.
CSCW, no bounce in sight. Straight down, actually.
WLDS. RNP.
ATXI, straight down.
LM. EMD. PSDN. Gas. HTD. SBS. Reto. WLDS. PKOH. UYM.
Sober, I saw it bounce. Then get that no man's land bounce. Real nice. 240, 241.
WLDS.
Straight down into a loop-de-doop straight up.
SNSE. For gap.
ATXI fading.
GEHI. PNI.
Did I miss the bottom on CLVS? Maybe, by like a cent.
BREX.
Completely missed it.
SPBC. BTBTBT. APLTLT.
Man, give us something. The market's pushing today. Yeah, I didn't see any news either. I was playing it earlier. I actually played it at open.
FNGR. WLDS.
I am down $100. I was up $100. The only win I've had today is the WLDS at open. Everything else has been a small loss.
DK. SNSE.
Yep, no news is excellent.
CNTB. BSET. IMB. GBS. TC. BLBD. NBY. TC. ATNN. BIMI. WLDS. TAT. ADTH now.
Oh man,
LMAO.
it's gonna be too small. I'm gonna put it right here.
UBR. NCNA.
It won't fit.
JRSH.
Oh well.
TIRX.
Oh well.
PMO. CDTS. LMAO. 32. Deku. TUR. FIDI. NBY. TKNO. APDN. Vine. WLDS. ERT. CRT.
Volume is dead on ATXI. Volume looks like it's almost dead on F and GR.
PGP. QQQX. QRHC. NHTC. PFL. PNNT. MRCC. PFN. SNSE. NBY. DMO. EOD. SRASCF. WLTS. SAA. CMU.
Spot's flag gonna go higher here.
GNFT. GHRS IMPP. TTP. KNSA. DLHC. Kala. GGLL.
I'm just staring at CLVS right now,
MRBK.
just to see if it makes potentially a higher low. There's nothing else I even remotely see. All right, Finger Hut finally pushed down.
PCGB. APCX.
ATXI. Volume was dead on it. Okay, out of nowhere we got a volume spike. ATXI.
CLGN. BPT. ABEO. CFMS.
Yeah, Sober came out with a Luff PR a second ago. They said the Aegis Capital was the book runner in their offering.
THMO. JYNT.
Oh, that was trying to halt for a second. Looked like ATXI. Please, market gods, lowercase g, give us something to run, please.
IQDY. BSBR, AEG,
Beat Hive Day. Oh my god, after pulling back. I'll pull it up in a second.
CNXA, BJDX, ENR,
No way. You're joking me.
SAN, PYR, WFCN,
Hold on one second.
OMA, IDAT, BDCSM, WLDS, BJDX, LXFR, OCCI,
All right.
NYMTL, Fine, SMLP, Leo,
Yeah, beat. Pushed up and open, had that ugly red candle, traded sideways, and then pushed up.
SNGR, WLDS, BJDX, EPOW,
Market pushing higher. 364 coming up.
OSPN,
480 on beat coming up.
DUSL, SBFM, AKOA,
I hate these type of moves. Absolutely despise them.
OFS,
Straight up, straight down, and then a, let's see what time we got.
CTOS,
10:16 a.m. volume spike. Straight up. Yeah, it's crazy. CLVS trying to put in this higher low. Slow and steady right now.
WLDS, Grow,
Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. I feel like Oxy follows Spy, though, too. When the other ones are just trash.
PRTG,
Well, CLVS got smashed. I threw up a 75K ask. That's probably my last trade of the day, guys. Absolute garbage. Garbage, garbage action.
CXH, C, ADTX, HBM,
Yeah, it's, I'm down 170 now. That's probably it, though. I don't see anything else. Nothing's breaking out. Market's ripping, but everything looks just absolutely horrendous.
GDX, PAXS, EFO, APG, AMOM, TPZ, ECF, MBT, IFBD, UTI, AGQ, DCPC, RNP, NEXA, WLDS,
October's starting out really nasty. God, I hope it's not like this all month. Really, really nasty.
NGMS, FONR, FCPS, FONR, LPTX, FLLH,
BTNR recovery, yeah. Spot ripping up 2%. Nothing's moving. Not a thing. Not a damn thing.
RNP,
No, nothing even moves
IFBD,
5 cents right now. Is the problem. You're not even guaranteed 1 cent.
EWZS, DO, FAM,
I'm more likely to lose than I am win on a scalp.
SBS,
It's probably 2 out of 10, maybe 3 out of 10 is a win right now on a scalp. Even in a good position, a breakout, a pullback, a trend, whatever. I'd say you got about a 30% chance of winning.
DFSB, TSF,
Yeah,
BR,
but they bounce from non-logical zones now.
GB,
I would do that if they actually bounce from logical zones, but sometimes they'll hold something, next day they'll hold something else, next day they'll hold something else, so it's just your chances of getting the right spot is almost impossible right now. Almost impossible.
CTHR, GDB, LTL, ZIVO, WLDS,
Yeah, no problem, no problem. I mean, if there was something I could do right now, I would do it, 100%. But there's nothing. Completely helpless is what it feels like. Yeah, October usually is very good, and this is the opposite year, so we'll see if it's horrible.
Sticks, Dare, BJDX, BLTA Plus,
ADTX is trying to go, but it's got a 31K ask at 4.
CXH, RG,
Sober, straight down, near the breakout. Beat, pushing higher still after that loop-de-loop horseshoe looking thing it opened. Oil still pushing lower.
MBIN,
Yep. No news, no reason. Call the day, baby. Intraday highs.
US,
I have 119. Or 109, I mean. 109. Literally the bottom. I had the bottom. But I would have had to hold for 1 whole hour.
AJX, SGMA, UIS, WLDS, EC.
Let's see if they buy up ADTX through $4. It's right at it right here.
Sire. UIS. JVA. OOTO. WLDS. AMOM.
$3.99. Yeah, it would need like 30K volume spike right here to push it through. I don't know if there's a whale that's still alive big enough to buy through that 4 ask. They chipped a little bit at it. 18K left on the 4 ask of ADTX.
WLDS. MNM.
Shorts just hitting the bid now. Oh yeah, 30K or 25K hit on the bid of the shorts, 395. So they're trying to attack it now under 392. This is on ADTX I'm talking about. Pushed up towards 4, chipped away at the wall, and then the shorts just destroyed the bids. They shorted extremely, extremely hard right here. Dropped 25K on the bid.
FIDI.
Okay, now 390 was the hero, and he's about to get wrecked. 13K left on him. Yeah, 145. That is crazy.
Correct.
Should have held my shares.
NTIC.
Beat up to $5 now.
Correct plus.
Okay.
ELYM. OLTO. WLDS. KMPH. FNHC. BBW. TRX. Wald. AMS. FNHC. CRVS.
Man, FNGR just went straight down, huh?
IAF, DALN, OST. WLDS. Mir Plus.
Well, I haven't got one win since open, I don't think. That's about the state of the market right now. And the market's so green, which is the most disgusting part about it. Price movement's there, price action is not. All right. Since it's such a trash day, I'm going to go ahead and call it. We made it to 10:30. I don't know how. Everything was pretty much a loss after open. Hope you guys have a good day. Don't blow up, please. Price action is still absolutely god-awful. So just take it easy. Don't force anything. Tomorrow's another day. And I will see you guys back here tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. Peace.